ok, mas prepara-te para me apanhar porque eu estou a chegar.
And I got this.
And it is sunset hour, exactly 17:52 right now. The actual sunset time is 17:54 in just 2 minutes. And I am this wonderful beach, Praia de Cabedelo do Douro, which means in translation golden hair. But also I think it's connected to the name of the river that's called Douro, that's dividing Porto and Praia and Vila Nova De Gaia. And it's an amazing beach, and I'm so happy that I have saved this one for the best for last, as this is the 10th beach I visit today here in the Porto region, more specifically on Vila Nova De Gaia. And it's amazing, it's fantastic how beautiful this is. I'm just enjoying, and let's then prepare for the last swim of the day, which will be a bit longer, but I'm gonna just capture short part of it, as I am filming right now with my Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is because my GoPro was damaged, or actually it stopped working suddenly earlier today. So I'm filming now with my S23 Ultra, and now it's time for the last swim of the day, 2 of my Porto beach adventures. Let's see if I have, there you go. Look at that, the golden sky, and 7:54, it's officially sunset time. So let's then take a swim. Let's go! That was a beautiful sunset swim here at this wonderful beach, Praia Cabedelo de Douro. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. Beautiful. Alright, I will enjoy a bit more here in the sunset hour by taking another swim here. So thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.